The hypot function in C basically does the distance formula. Hypot is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h as well as including stdio.h. Hypot returns a double, so our answer will be double ants equals hypot of 3 and 4. Next, we'll print our answer. Printf, double quotes, %f for doubles, \n, then printf ants. If we run this code, we'll see 5. If you remember back from grade school, this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. If the two legs are 3 and 4, then the hypotenuse is 5. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.